It is officially that time of the year when you have started to collect ideas to make your vision board. And as somebody who has been making vision boards since years now, I'm going to tell you whether they actually work or not. There are tips and techniques to everything. So if you think that your vision board is not working, then there is a possibility that you might be making it wrong. Alright guys, so now I'm going to tell you few things that you need to keep in mind before making a vision board. And by the end of the video, I'm going to show you my own vision board that I created in 2025, and I'm going to show you things that actually came true for me. First thing that we need to keep in mind is that vision boards have no expiry date. If you put 10 things in your vision board and out of them only 3 came true, that doesn't mean that the other 7 didn't come true. It just means that within this year you were able to achieve 3 things. So you don't need to get disheartened by that. All you need to do is go through those things again and just think about that whether they are realistic or not. Are you even working to achieve them or not? And if yes, then go ahead and put that into your vision board of the next year. You would achieve other 7 things as well. We all get excited and we all tend to put everything in our vision board. Thing that is not even possible for you to do in a span of 1 year. But the right technique is to start small. You know about your life and you know how much you can actually achieve by the end of the year. Say for example, I have 1,000 followers on Instagram and I wish to achieve 1,000,000. But I know how often I post and what I post. So for me, I know that it is not possible to have 1,000,000 in a year. So I would put a target of say 50k or 100k on my vision board rather than putting a target of 1,000,000. So that by the end of the year, when I do not achieve that much, I do not get disappointed. This is how you take small steps and not jump to a big one. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is to avoid distractions. Now what I mean by distraction is that if I want to put a picture depicting clear skin onto my vision board, let's say I open Pinterest to find the perfect picture that is in my vision, and while I scroll I find hundreds of pictures depicting the same thing, and this is when I get distracted looking at other pictures too. I know what was in my mind, what was in my vision, I know what I want to achieve. So instead of getting distracted by other 100 things that Pinterest or Google is showing me, I would stick to that one thing for which I opened that app. Because vision boards is about your own vision and not about distractions or attractions. Thing is that you need to put realistic things into your vision board. For example, if I want to learn how to drive a car by the end of this year and I won't even try to drive it at least once, is it possible that I don't drive a car and learn to drive a car? You know how productive you are and what all things you can do. So putting something in the vision board that you won't even do in the coming year is a total waste of time, energy and faith. More than faith, vision board is about trend now. So what most people do is that they make vision board because they feel that it is fun and interesting to make one. And because of that, they literally put anything and everything in their vision board that is aesthetically attractive. But here's the thing. You need to put what all you dream about and what is your vision into the vision board, and do not have to care whether it looks pretty or aesthetic or whatsoever. So do not get distracted by the image that are aesthetically cool and pretty. Just stick to what you thought about putting in your vision board. Another important thing is that don't be vague. You should know what you want to put in your vision board. Instead of opening Pinterest and then finding photos of what to put in your vision board, here's the thing that you should do. You should take a pen and a paper and write about the things that you want to achieve in 2026 and what you think is achievable, and now find pictures related to those points. This is going to help you in staying intact with the point that you thought about and not getting distracted. Okay, so finally I'm going to show you my vision board and show you all the things that actually came true for me. And before that, I'm really very grateful for all the things that came true, and I'm going to work harder for the things that did not come true in 2025. Alright, so this is my vision board. Can you see this particular notification bar here? I really wanted that one of my reels might go viral on Instagram in this year, and it did. I crossed 1,000,000 on one reel, and that is an achievement for me. Secondly, I put a picture of me doing a ramp walk or modeling in a show, and I did not do anything related to that previously, and guess what? It came true in 2025. I did several ramp walks. This picture, I really wanted my skin to get clear in terms of blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, acne and stuff, and I might not be satisfied with it 100%, but it definitely has gotten better. This picture right here depicts of me getting a photo shoot, and I did get a few photo shoots this year, which is really very special to me because I love being the main character. A few pictures of money here and a bank account shows that I finally earned this year. Not an active income, but I just earned through a few collabs and stuff. And I do have a bank account now. Way to the stage, obviously it came true when I was going to the stage to do that ramp walk I told you about. And other pictures are related to the same, and there are a few things that I'm confident, I'm strong. So these are the things that act as daily affirmations for me, and whenever I look at my vision board, I feel confident. So yeah, here are a few things that worked for me, and I'm going to be more specific in terms of vision boards in 2026, and I'm going to take smaller steps so that I can actually achieve it. And I highly recommend you to make a vision board for yourself, because first, it really motivates you to do what you want to do, and secondly, it is like a manifestation to the universe. So if you actually work for it and the universe gets the signals that what you want to achieve, you actually achieve it. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you for watching.